Welcome to Lesson 4. Today we're focusing on something very important in German, vowels. Getting the pronunciation of vowels right will really help you sound more natural when speaking German. We'll go over each vowel sound, listen to examples, and then use them in simple words. But before we get into that, let's start with a quick conversation to show how vowels appear in everyday speech.
Hallo, wie geht's dir?
Mir geht's gut. Und dir?
Auch gut. Was machst du?
Ich trinke Wasser.
As you can hear, vowels are very common in German words. Now, let's take a closer look at how we pronounce these vowels.
Der Bahnhof. Der Mann.
Listen closely. In the word,
Der Bahnhof.
the A is pronounced like the A in father. It is drawn out, and you can hear the vowel for a longer time.
Der Mann.
Now, in
Der Mann.
the A is short. It's quick and doesn't last long. You can hear how it's different from the long A in first word.
Der Tee. Das Bett.
The E in T is long, just like the E in C in English. It's a clear and drawn-out sound. In bet, the E is short. It's quick and sharp, like the E in bet.
Ihn. Immer.
In een, the I is long, like the E sound in C. You can hear it for a longer period. In immer, the I is short and quick, just like the I in bit.
Sohn. Sonne.
The O in sohn is long, similar to the O in go. It's pronounced clearly and drawn out. In sonne, the O is short, like the O in hot. It's quick and not drawn out like in sohn.
Gut. Muss.
In gut, the U is long, pronounced like the U in moon. You can hear the U clearly and for a little longer. In muss, the U is short. It's quick, like the U in push. Unfortunately, memorizing these vowel sounds is a must, so we need to keep practicing and consuming them. But don't worry, we won't overwhelm you with too many words all at once. Instead, we'll keep adding words with these vowel sounds into our future lessons and dialogues, so you'll keep hearing and seeing them until they stick with you, both visually and phonetically. For now, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.